Children, we are going to start chapter 18, that is construction. Okay, now see here, I'm going to start construction. First is to construct an angle equal to given angle. Let the given angle be angle ABC as shown alongside, and we have to construct another angle, say angle DEF equal to angle ABC. So first of all, you will draw the line segment EF. Okay, EF, mark here E and F. Now any suitable size you can take, 5 cm, 6 cm, 8 cm. With B as a center, draw an arc of any suitable radius. Take here B as a center and any suitable radius. Draw an arc. Hold it properly. Take B as a center and draw an arc like this. Okay. Now which cuts at AB at point P and BC at point Q. You can write here P and here Q. With E as a center and same radius, don't move this radius. Okay, with the same radius as taken in step 2. Okay, now draw an arc with which cuts EF. First of all, with E as a center, draw an arc here. Just measure here, should be equal radius. Okay, E as a center, draw an arc like this. Then here you can write name, anything, any literal, suppose R. Take R as a center and with the same radius cut here another arc. Okay, now with the scale join line here. So you can see, children, so join E, you can write here EF, or here you can name D. So DEF we are going to make angle DEF. Okay, which cut at S. R here cut the arc at S. So this is angle DEF, so obtained, is equal to angle ABC. You can see easily, you can draw it. Now second number, to draw the bisector of angle given angle. How you will draw angle bisector? Just see here, take a line segment, it is any 5 cm, 4 cm according to your convenience. Now you write here name B and C. Take B as a center and draw an arc of any suitable radius you can take without moving. Make sure, children, don't do overwriting here. By mistake overwriting, you just erase, don't do overwriting. Construction should be neat and clean. Okay, now take B as a center, draw an arc of any suitable radius which cuts BC, any here it cut. Then take here as a center and cut an arc, another arc here. Okay, now join this. Like this, join, and now measure the radius, this radius. Like this, you measure the radius and draw arc here. One side, this side, and now this side. So this is the angle bisector, children. This bisect the angle B equally. This is angle bisector line, this point. So this is equal to this. Angle 1 equal to angle 2. This is the angle bisector. You can draw like this, okay? So name ABC, angle ABC, bisect angle, you can write here P, okay, equal to what you can write, half of ABC equal to angle PBC, because this is angle bisect equally in two parts. Okay children, now you all know how to draw 60 degree, 30 degree, 90 degree, 45 degree. If you don't know, just see here. In one figure only I will make you understand how to draw first of all 90 degree. Okay, take a line segment AB and take a suitable radius. Take A as a center, okay, and draw a arc. Like this. Now take here as a center. Without moving your compass, just cut here, one side, this side, and now this side keep point, this side. Okay, now keep here. My compass is little loose, children. Make sure you take good compass so that it will not move and it will not change the radius. Okay, now keep here and just cut here arc, and now keep here, cut another arc here. Now join this line here to here. This is called, you can see children, this is 90 degree. Okay, now 90 half is 45 degree. If you want to draw 45 degree, just measure arc here like this. Measure arc like this, okay, and cut one arc here and take here center, one other arc here. Okay, now this, join this point to this point. This is 45 degree, children. Half of 90 is 45 degree. Okay, so how to draw 90 degree and 45 degree understood. Now see here how to draw 60 degree and 30 degree. 90, 45, got it. Now 60 degree and 30 degree. Take a line segment, write down AB. Okay, you take a radius here. Now keep here compass, this point, and cut one arc here. This is called 60 degree, children. This is the 60 degree. You join this point to this point. This is 60 degree. Now half of 60 is 30 degree. Now measure the arc. This radius measure here and cut here one arc and here another arc. Now this point to this point join. Okay, so this is the 30 degree. Half of 60 is 30 degree. So in this manner you can draw 30, 60, 90, 45. Okay, in book also given. So 18.A exercise, one exercise completed till here. Okay.